Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my Sagre channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. Angel spirit guide, please give me information po. Let's see what is the messages sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Okay, so let's see. Bisa natin guys for the sign of Pisces. So there's the Empress card for a revert. No, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong eksena dito, no? And of course, something a new beginning. And of course, there is something of fertility, no? About dito ay maaring kumbaga maaring magbuntis ka or magkaroon ka ng bagong anak or either kumbaga magkaroon ka ng bagong simula, no? Additional messages. And of course, this is a Three of Wands. Represent a waiting for a soul, waiting for a ship. Now, may mga bagay na hinihintay ka, so there's a possible na dumating na. And of course, there's something on information na, kumbaga, magkaroon ng process and progress, no? And of course, sinasabi dito with the Four of Wands, so something a celebration, homecoming family gathering. Na maaring, kumbaga, may darating na, may kakasal, no? Maaring ikasal ka or either may kakasal dito. And of course, there is something na maaring uuwi ka ng probinsya or uuwi ka ng galing sa ibang bansa, no? Or pupunta ka ng ibang bansa. Naghihintay ka na lang ng resulta or documents or something visa, no? This is the Six of Swords with the transition na makakalis ka na sa situation. Na unti-unti ka na makakabangon, no? And kasi sinasabi dito with the Eight of Cups, represent and let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan, bitawan, no? Lalo-lalo na yung alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. And because there's the Queen of Cups for healing, so magkakaroon ka ng healing dito guys. Na unti-unting paghilom, unti-unting pagaling, no? The Empress card represent what? The Judgment, a wake-up call or inner calling, no? Kumbaga, this is to pay attention na kailangan mo makinig, no? Now, there's something a third party involved, no? Maaring may third party dito na maaring, kumbaga, connected dito with the women, no? Meron ditong babae na maaring, kumbaga, sumasapaw, no? Sa inyong relasyon, no? Parang ginigising ka sa eksena or maaring nagkakaroon ng bagong simula dito, no? Kumbaga, you need to pay attention, no? Sa ginagalawan mo. The Three of Wands represent the Strength card, confidence, no? Kailangan mo lakasan ang pakiramdam mo, lakasan ang loob mo dahil may mga bagay dito na parating na, no? Kailangan, kumbaga, maaring aalis ka na or hinihintay mo na ng documents, nagkakaroon ka ng fear and doubt. Pero eventually, kumbaga lalakasan mo ang pakiramdam ang loob mo dito. The Four of Wands represent what? With the Page of Wands with the good news. Now, may magandang balita din dito na magdadala sa inyo something celebration. A wedding, proposal, engagement, homecoming, no? The Six of Swords represent what? Okay, this is a temperance for healing. So, unti-unting paghilom, unti-unting pagaling. So, yung sinasabi sa'yo, unti-unti ka na makaka-recover from the pain, from financial crisis, or financial loss, or either from the heartache, from betrayal, no? Kumbaga, this is something a transition, no? May pagbabago magaganap. The Eight of Cups represent the star card. So this is the wish fulfillment, no? You need to surrender everything, no? The more na sino-surrender mo, the more mapufulfill lahat ng mga bagay na hinaasam-asam mo. The Queen of Cups represent what? The Two of Wands, may choices, no? May mga bagay dito na pipiliin mo, no? Pipiliin mong manahimik, pipiliin mong maging, kumbaga, tutukan ng sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, this is a mature person pagdating sa feelings, no? Maaring kumbaga, there's a something choices, no? Mas pinipiling mong mag-isa, no? Mas pinipiling mong tutukan ng sarili mo. The Empress card because the Judgment represent what? The Four of Coins. So this is a protector power, protector energy, no? Kailangan mo protection at pangalagaan yung sarili mo. Tulad ng sinasabi mo ko na parang you need to pay attention na may mga bagay na malalaman ka dito na maaring magdala sa iyo ng something information na good news or bad news, no? Kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Now this is a third party involved na maaring mayroong kumbaga sumasapaw or mayroong gustong sumingit, no, sa iyong relasyon, no? So, or sa pamilya mo, the Three of Wands because the Strength card represent what? Okay, this is the Wheel of Fortune for good luck, no? Kumagang, eto naiikot na yung kapalaran, hinihintay mo yung tamang resulta, no? Kailangan mo laksan ng pakiramdam mo. There's just something infinite, no? Na nag-represent the Wheel of Fortune with the destiny is yours, no? Kumaga, papabor na sa iyo ang sitwasyon, gaganda na ang takbo ng eksena, parang you got the jackpot, no? Kumaga, maaaring tumama ka sa loto, tumama ka sa kung ano man yung raffle na yan, or either, kumaga, magdala sa iyo ng magandang kapalaran, no? The Four of Wands because the Page of Wands represent the Ten of Swords, no? So this is the backstab or sabotage, no? Pagdating sa relationship, kumbaga makikilala mo at malalantad na kung sino talaga yung traidor, kung sino talaga yung nagsisinungaling behind your back, no? Kung sino yung makadlang sa inyong relasyon, no? Additional messages with the Ten of Swords and of course, okay, the Six of Swords and of course the Temperance, sorry. The Six of Swords across the Temperance represent the Magician, manifestation, no? May mga bagay na maunti-unti ka na ma-manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na makukuha. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo nang maisa sa katuparan, no? There's something, a magician with a power, authority, no? So let's see what is the Eight of Cups and the Star card. Represent the Four of Cups. So, reevaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan o clear out, no? Na itong tao na to, itong bagay na to, you need to settle down, no? Kailangan mo na pakawalan, alisin, no? Waksiin sa hanay mo. This is the healing process, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti nang hihilom, no? Hayaan mo bang yung paghilom na yan ay maudlot, na magkaroon ulit ng sugat o pilat, no? Kailangan mong alisin at baguhin, no? At kailangan mong himay-himayin lahat ng kaganapan na magbibigay sa iyo ng growth and expansion. And let's see what is the Queen of Cups and of course the Two of Wands represent the Seven of Swords. See, there's a sneakiness, cheating lion, you know? Be aware, no? Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo yung alam mo sa sarili mo yung mga bagay na kailangan pang hawakan. No, there's a choices. Ikaw yung gagawa ng eksena. Kung kakayaan mo bang kumbaga guluhin ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo o lumayo ka na lang, no? Or kailangan isipin mo yung sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo ba bang magstay or kailangan mo bang makisama sa sitwasyon, sa kaganapan, no? Sa relasyon, you need to choose something on you. Let's see what is additional messages with outcome, no? Anong eksena dito pagdating sa outcome? And because there is that Page of Conway good news, no? There's something investment, so something like that, no? Maaaring magkaroon ng investment or something on opportunities, no? The Page of Pentacles, the Page of Coin or represent the Page of Pentacles rather, no? Na magdadala sa inyo ng bagong eksena. Additional messages with the Ten of Coin. I told you, this is the long-term success and long-term investment. So may ibang matagalang eksena dito na magdadala sa inyo ng investment, good fortunes, good luck. At the same time, this is a success, no? Na magdadala sa inyo ng pangmatagalan. So, this is a for long run, no? Additional messages about sa career. Pagdating naman sa career mo, guys, no? There's something, a Six of Coins. So, there's a give and take, no? Kung baga magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances and there's a balance, no? Nagre-represent ng whale, no? There's something, a Libra signs, na maaaring connected ka with a Libra. And of course, there's something, a whale, nagre-represent ng timbangan or something, a balance, no? So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa negosyo, hanap buhay, kailangan balanse ka, ha? Additional messages. And I guess there's an information with the hangman, no? There's a feeling stuck or nakakaranas ka ng delays or cancellation, pagbagal ng pasok ng pera, or either, kanselasyon, or bigla-bigla ang pagbabago na katumalan, no? It's a normal, no? Additional messages. And I guess there's an information with the Ace of Wands for a new beginning, no? A new project, no? Magkakaroon ka ng mga new project, new ideas dito pagdating sa business, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, ha? Additional messages. Parang like, a strategy, no? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong strategiya o strategy. Additional messages about sa love life. So there's the Two of Swords with an indecision. Oh, pati sa there's a Three of Cups with the third party. I told you, 'di ba? Kumbaga may sumasapaw talaga dito. I think this is something a mother figure or something like family related with a toxic family. This is the Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. No, kailangan hindi ka papauto, magpapabudol diyan. Additional messages about sa health. So this is the Nine of Cups with the blossoming abundance. So maaring gaganda na ang kalusugan mo. And this is the Page of Swords, curiosity, no? Kailangan kilalanin, alamin, no? Yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa iyo at may mga bagay na kailangan iwasan pagdating sa health issues mo, no? Additional messages about some magical fairy messages represent what? Additional messages. And because there's a flower power, so magkakaroon ka ng kalakasan at kasaganahan dito, no? At sinasabi dito, with the spring, see, there's a blossoming, flower power, and of course, there's a something healing powers made of flowers, no? Maaaring mamumukalaklak na, mamumukadkad na. Ito, din yung sinasabing, with the begin to bloom, no? Magsisimula ng yumabong, no? And there's a vegetarian, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables, guys, no? Na makakatulong sa'yo for your health. Additional messages for synchronicities. For synchronicities, let's see, guys. And there's a wildness, no? Kumbaga, magiging ka dito, mabagsik or magiging palaban. And there's a speaking truth, no? Para sinasabi dito, mailalabas mo lahat ng katotohanan. No? And there's a love, no? Ipaglalaban mo ang pag-ibig na wagas. No? Kumbaga, laban na laban ka dito, and there's a resilience. Kailangan mo lang tahimik, no? Hindi mo kailangan makipaglaban with a battle talaga ng, kumbaga, with a strength or with a force, no? Yung laban talaga na parang, sakitan, no? Hindi ganon. Kailangan mo ilaban with a good way, no? And of course, there's a joy. Magiging maligaya ka at the end of the time. Okay, so let's proceed for a yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? Yin and yang oracle card, represent what? And there is a nurturer, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa hospitable, no? Sa pagiging maalaga, pasikaso, you are being here, no? With a nurturer. Kumbaga, compassion mo yan. And there's a party with the eternal, no? Maaring there's a third party involved. No? Lakas ang energy dito, there's a something third party talaga. Connected with the family, toxic family, or toxic friends, no? Additional messages. And of course, there's a chemistry. Oh, talagang merong no? May something connected, no? Pagdating sa inyo, this is the magnetic attractions na two of you guys. Na talagang pinagbubuklod kayo na sa isa't isa, no? Na parang, you know the connected, no? Na you are being connected sa isa't isa. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman. And energy healing work. So, kailangan mo ng healing session. And of course, there's a something, and be gentle with yourself, no? Huwag mo masyadong pinipressure at huwag mo masyadong pinahihirapan yung sarili mo, no? You need to let go to all the things, no? Na alam mong mabigat, mahirap, no? Pakawalan mo, umalis ka dyan sa situation. There's something forgiveness, no? Kailangan mo na magpatawad, hindi para sa ibang tao, kundi sa sarili mo. And there's an impartiality, no? Maging balanse ka, no? Emotional, practical, physical, and mental. There's something renewal, no? Doon mo malala sa pambagong eksena, no? Pakiramdam at maayos at magandang kasalukuyan. Diba? The more na parang binibitawan mo ang bigat, kirot, galit, puot, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng beautiful eksena, no? The angel's answer, represent what? Remain positive, di ba? Kailangan mo maging positibo sa lahat ng bagay. And there's an helpful people. Maraming taong tutulong sa'yo. Or may mga taong matutulungan ka pa. And there is a listen to your intuitions, no? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, no? Makinig ka sa visions mo. Makinig ka sa instinct mo. Additional messages. And there is something, a success. See, I told you. Magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. Lahat ng mga bagay for you ay magkakaroon ng successful. Basta labanan mo yung takot at pangamba with the fear. Diba? And ako sinasabi dito, there's an envy. There's something drama and ego. And of course, there's something empathy, no? Tingnan mo yung lighter side of situation or something both side of situation. Tingnan mo yung pinakamagandang possibilities or something outcome, no? Kumbaga, dyan sa mga bagay na yan, kung ano yung purpose niyan, kung ano yung benefits niyan, ganon. Additional messages with the Montology. For Montology, expect your power for change, no? Kumbaga, ma-expect ka daw ng mga pagbabago magaganap sa buhay mo. At sinasabi dito, there's something on emotion are running high. So, it's either a tears of joy or something heartache or heartbreak, no? Kumbaga, magiging emotional ka this time. And nothing will come this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation kung hindi ka mag-take ng actions. Additional energy, represent what? Additional energy represent a caring connections, no? Connected ka with your person, no? Maaaring, kumbaga, in love ka sa talaga sa jowa o asawa mo. And there's a women, the thinking women, no? Overthinking ka if you were a woman. Kung ikaw ay man, maaaring person mo ay overthinking or there's a something or go overthink dito, ha? May naghihinala dito or something na may pumapasok sa isipan nitong inggitero nito. Charis. For romance angels, represent what? Heart-to-heart to conversations, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng connection dito with your person, no? Kumbaga, mag-uusap kayo ng masinsinan. And there's an attractions, no? You are being attracted for other people. Or either, attracted kayo ng person mo sa isa't isa. And there's something in new love is coming. So, magkakaroon ka ng bagong pag-ibig. Ha? Additional messages with an angel spirit. Or either guys kumbaga insider kumbaga may taong binaliwala ka, no? Or taong kumbaga mayroon ditong bagong pag-ibig, no? Na maaaring dito mo na nakita sa kanya yung pag-aalaga at pagmamahal. Oo, kaya may pumasok na new love. And there's a trust, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala, ha? And because there's something, a relationship, see? Kumbaga, palakasin at busugin mo ang inyong relasyon sa pagmamahal. And there's something kitchen. So, ibig sabihin dito, connected with the kitchen na sikasuhin, no? Alagaan mo yung person mo, lutuan mo. And there's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance dito, ha? Additional messages by the angel spirit, guys. And kasi sinasabi dito, with the speaker, no? Something orasyon, no? Mayroon, may gayuma din dito, guys, ha? Parang may nasense ako na gano'n, no? And there's an animals, no? If you are an animal lover, or either yung person may animal lover, or maraming animal sa paligid mo. Charis. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. And there's an acceptance, no? Kailangan mong tanggapin at marunong ka dapat tumanggap. And there's a fresh air, kailangan mo na sariwang hangin, ha? And there's an alternative medicine. Kailangan mo yung mga alternatibong medisina, no? Na makakatulong sa'yo, like something herbal, supplements, no? Mga ganon. And of course, there's something information with that the courageous peony, but let yourself be seen. Hayaan mo yung sarili mo ang makakita, makatuklas ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. So let's see for the Jesus loving quotes. For the Jesus loving quote said, heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the kingdom of God is coming to you. So see, pagagalingin ng ating Panginoon kung ano man yung mga bagay sakit, sugat ang iyong mga naranasan, no? Kumbaga, bago niya ipakita sa iyo yung mga magagandang mangyayari sa buhay mo, kailangan mo munang masaktan at kailangan mo munang pagdaanan dahil ang successful talaga ay laging nasa huli, no? Hindi naman pwede magsimula yung successful, no? Kailangan mo muna mag-invest ng time, effort, management, no? Pagdating sa love, no? And of course, something a heartache, no? Minsan masasaktan ka, minsan mabibigo ka, at may mga bagay na kailangan mong marunong kang tumanggap, no? Yan ang most important talaga. Bitawan pakawalan nung alam mong hindi na masaya o hindi nag-work, no? Kumaga kailangan mong tanggapin. For angels number, represent what? For Angel's number, so there's a 5554 change, no? May mga pagbabago magaganap dito. At sinasabi, you are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle greater things in life to the highest good. That is why you've been looking for, push through it, there is a reward waiting for you at the finish line. So see, kumbaga, nagle-level up lahat ng karanasan mo. Kumbaga, kailangan mong pagdaanan yan, hinahanda ka ng ating Panginoon sa mas maganda pang opportunity, sa mas maganda pang plano, at sa mas maganda pang kahihinatnan na alam niyang pagyayabungin ka ng iyong karanasan. Let's see what is the messages of life. For messages of life, represent what? For messages of life, represent what? Beyond limitations, no? At sinasabi dito, today, I exceed my own expectations. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There is no limitation, there is no end. Everything is unfolding in a continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a greater horizon, a look beyond my perceptions or reality, beyond all barriers created my own divinity, my own beliefs and fears. I am now open to new possibilities. So see, bukas palad ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa buhay mo, no? Kumbaga, inaalis mo na yung takot at pangamba. Kumbaga, hinahanda mo na yung sarili mo sa bagong chapter na darating sa buhay mo. So, maganda tong opportunity ha, kasi may mga pasabog na mabubulabog talaga. Kaya kailangan maghanda ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.